Hey there, it's Mike Dury, Dine in Recruiting. In today's 2-minute hire how-to, we're talking about applicant tracking system and what's the one thing you need in your next ATS. Are you looking for a new ATS? Well, listen, I've got some thoughts on it, and I think that there's one crucial element that you need to make sure that your ATS gets done right before you commit to one. And what that one thing is the ability to never lose a candidate, to always be able to reach out to candidates who've applied to your positions in the past. See, those are candidates that you've already paid for. Holy mackerel, they're already kind of pre-screened. You know that they know about you. They're more than likely hospitality type people. You want to never lose those candidates. So if they applied to one of your jobs 7 months ago, 7 weeks ago, you want to be able to reach out to them when you have new jobs that open up. That is crucial. Now, it's easier said than done. Some of these ATSs, they do it better than others. What you want to look for is an ATS that can quickly catalog these candidates for you. So if you're looking for a server, a bartender, a housekeeper, you can quickly go through and it will show you all of the candidates in your database or in your ATS that meet that profile. Then it needs to afford you the ability to quickly craft an email that will then send out to all of them. It should do that. It should be able to do all of those things in like 3 minutes. Now I'm going to tell you right now, if you look at all these big companies, being able to email candidates who've already applied, who already have shown interest, who are somewhat warm candidates, that's one of the best methods for finding new talent today. So find an ATS that can do that and knock that out of the park, because most of them can do the other stuff pretty easily. Now I'm going to tell you one that I'm intrigued by. I don't use it myself and I've never used it, but it sounds intriguing to me. Google has one. And you know Google knows what they're doing in terms of sorting candidates, getting to the right information, and then being able to contact those candidates quickly. I would think Google knows what they're doing. I would look into that one. But like I said, I've never used it, so I don't know it for sure. Hey, listen, if you want to know more about what in the heck to do about finding good talent, boy, you could just go on over to dineinrecruiting.com, dineinrecruiting.com. That's what we do every day over there. I would love to see you, and I'll see you in the next 2-minute hire how-to. Bye-bye.